Hi, Varian! Definitely mixed emotions ngayon. Yun na nga, when I heard that you will be leaving. Mixed emotions kasi, syempre sad na you're gonna leave us, but at the same time happy because I know na you will be in a better place. Definitely, especially that you will be staying with your wife in UK. Hirap talaga ng long distance, so really happy dun sa part na yun. Siguro sa akin, I'll just say yung one thing na I will really miss. Kasi I've seen you from the days na nag-start ka as AML analyst, and I've seen you grow, move roles, etc. And so, siguro if there's one thing na mamimiss ko, it's really yung passion mo on developing people. And I've seen na ano yung kahit peers mo, you are really very hands-on. You may appear na serious, pero I know deep inside yung passion mo in terms of developing people is really there. So I really thank you because I'd like to believe na we are in this good position, at least for AML Manila, because of the work or efforts that you have actually put in the team. So really, really thank you. Siguro from my end, just keep in touch. Definitely, sana marunong ka pa rin mag-Tagalog by the time na nandun ka. And keep in touch, and I hope you will be happy, and we will continue to sana mag-cross yung paths natin again in the future. Yun lang, ingat, and thank you again for everything.
Hi Var, I wish you all the best and good luck in your new journey. I know that you will be very happy because you and your wife will be together in the UK. This is very exciting time for you and your wife. So we only wish you the best, and hopefully the baby will come soon as well. So we wish you all the best, and I hope that you will be very happy. Good luck!
Hey Mar! Hello! Your team really worked hard so that they are able to get this from me, this video. Hindi ko kasi na bibigay kagad. Anyway, thank you for all the years and months of working together. I appreciate you being able to handhold your team so well. Both teams that which were under you, I'm sure they're so glad that they were able to experience your leadership. Maraming salamat. And like as a side note, thank you also for constantly asking my curious questions and providing a lot of context that which contributed to what I know of financial crime as of now. I wish you good luck. I wish you a crazy but positive adventure ahead of you and your wife, and fulfilling that of a dream of most of us to be a house husband. But kidding aside, sana mag-enjoy mo. I know you're a whiskey drinker, and so you're off to a great place to experience the full length and variations of whiskey drinks ahead of you. Good luck, and keep in touch, and magpaparamdam daw kami when we're off to your side of the world. Bye!
I mentioned this is the second time you're breaking my heart because it's the second time you're leaving ANZ. But I would say it's the sweetest because you and Camille will be reunited again in the UK, and I'm very proud and happy for you because of course you get to leave the Philippines. And my only ask is to continue vlogging, continue updating us on your journey, and if ever we're lucky, if our times sync, let's still play video games together. Yeah, you know we're always rooting for you here in Manila, and we're gonna miss you, and all the best. Cheers, bro. Much love.
Hi, Var. Sad to see you go, but I'm sure it's for good. You have been part or one of the reasons why I'm here in FCDM, and I always say that kasi ikaw at si Sir Rod yung nag-interview sa akin 6 years ago, and I still remember the time. I still remember the question, I still remember the interaction. And it actually brought a lot, especially ikaw din yung nag-train sa akin. So, you're part of the reason why I'm here. Best of luck to you and your wife sa new journey, new place to live in UK. And I hope marunong ka rin mag-Tagalog. Hindi mo wala sa'yo yun. Hindi mo wala yung pagka-Pinoy. And all the best sa inyong dalawang mag-asawa. Thank you.
Hi Var, good luck to you. I wish you all the best. Thank you for all your contributions sa FCTM. And thank you as well for your inputs and insights when we sat down for interviews. And thank you for being an inspiration to many here at FCTM. So I wish you all the best again and good luck.
Hi Var! Thank you! Thank you sa pagiging part ng FCTM family. And alam mo naman, sad kami. Pero somehow, happy pa rin kami kasi alam ko naman na gusto mo na din makasama yung wife mo sa UK. And sana kung ano man yung pupuntahan mo is maging successful ka pa rin. And thank you sa laging pagpapakape. Mga social na palaman, nabihira lang namin makita at makain. And until next time, and salamat sa lahat na na-contribute mo. Hindi lang sa analyst, hindi lang sa mga LM, kundi sa buong Manila team. Alam ko wala tayong masyadong interaction, but still, happy ako na nakaka-interact din naman kita pag minsan at nagko-collaborate din naman tayo. So, yun lang, Var. Thank you. We will miss you. Bye-bye!
Hi, Var. Thank you for being a mentor in a way for the very brief discussions that we share na bilang seatmate, and I learned a lot from you. You're one of the great minds ng FCTM, and thank you sa pamana na amplifier. Salamat! Keep in touch. Bye-bye.
Hi Var, sabi ko naman sa'yo, isa ako sa mga malulungkot sa pag-alis mo. I'll really miss our everyday banters, yung mga pang-aasar mo. Please know that I'm really grateful for you, and you're one of the pillars of FCTM that we will surely be missing. You're one of the great leaders that I'm looking up to. And alam mo din na I will, if not for you, I would not be here to where I am now. So I'm really thankful for that. Pero alam ko life has to go on. And miss mo na si Camille, kaya dun ka na. Ayan, and I hope to, see you again soon in the near future. And I hope we cross paths again soon. You take care and all the best. God bless you, my friend. And take care. Bye-bye.
Hi, Var. Thank you sa lahat ng natutunan namin from you simula ng makeshift days pa lang FIO. And all the best. Good luck.
Thank you for all the support. Super dami mong na-help. So, yun. Super dami mong na-help and natulungan dito sa team. So, thank you and good luck!
Hello, Varian. Una sa lahat, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga naitulong mo sa akin, sa lahat ng advice, career guidance. If naalala mo pa, isa rin ako sa mga naging trainees mo ng 2018. I wish you all the best in life. Alam ko magsasucceed ka kung saan ka man pupunta. Isa ka sa mga pinakamatalinong tao na nakalala ko here in ANZ. So, I wish you good health, happiness, and good luck.
Hi, Sir Var. Hi, Sir. Good luck sa iyong UK journey. Sana po huwag makalimot, and thank you sa efforts and help na binigay niyo po especially sa TMS Asia Pacific. Yun na po.
Hi, Sir Var. Thank you and good luck po. I appreciate your help within the team, and I appreciate din yung mga kwentuhan natin yung Pepper pag naiwan kami dito. So yun po. Thank you and congrats.
Hi Sir V, good luck sa iyong UK journey with your wifey. Hopefully maging MLRO ka dun. Tsaka thank you sa generous naming LM na nagpapastay. Good luck!
Hi Sir V, I will always remember the words work-life integration. So thank you po for all your teachings. Good luck.
Bye!
Hi sir.
Hi, sir! Sir, thank you for all of the learnings that you have shared with us here in FCTM. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors in the UK. And hopefully we'll see you around there.
Yan po. Sa amin, sir, thank you din sa Random Chicas. Ang dami namin natututunan actually sa mga chika nyo. And then, ayun, yung last time din, di namin in-expect na antayin nyo kami matapos dito. Tapos, magdi-dinner tayo sa Popeyes with Gem and Ace. So, thank you din, sir, doon. And sa mga pakapi nyo. And ingat din po kayo sa UK with your wife. And, ayun, good luck po.
Sir V! Ano ba? Biglaan. Sir, di ba may mga bundok pa tayong aakyatin na sama-sama? Well, kapag nandito pa kayo at may schedule ng hiking, inform po namin kayo. Hopefully makasama po kayo. Good luck po. God bless sa sa pupuntahan nyo, sa iyo at sa wife mo. And may the Lord be the center of your family. Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sir V. Good luck sa journey po papuntang UK. All the best. Thank you sa lahat ng learnings na na-impart mo sa amin. Bye-bye!
Sir, thank you po sa free breakfast namin every day. And good luck po.
Hi, Sir V. Thank you po sa lahat and all the best sa UK.
Hi, sir. Thank you for mentorship. Fighting.
Hi, Sir Bar. Thank you po sa mga madaming libre and sana, bago ka umalis, meron pa ulit.
For the last time.
For the last time. That's right. Enjoy UK po, sir. Good luck po.
Thank you, sir.